In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install extensions plugins via Creative Cloud. If you use Adobe apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro, plugins can save time and unlock features. Before we start, make sure the Creative Cloud desktop app is installed and that you're signed in with a stable internet connection. Keep your Adobe apps closed during installation if you're prompted to restart them later. First, open Adobe Creative Cloud. You can use the desktop app or the web version. The experience is similar. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Stock and Marketplace. This is the central hub where Adobe lists add-ons, fonts, and community content. Next, choose Plugins. This section shows tools that integrate directly with your Adobe apps. Here, you'll see options to browse featured plugins or view all plugins. Featured highlights trusted or trending options, which is great if you're new and don't know what to pick. All plugins lets you see the full catalog and filter by the specific Adobe app you use, whether that's After Effects, XD, or another product. Use filters like category, compatibility, and ratings to narrow things down. If you already know what you want, use the search bar to find a plugin by name or by the task it solves, such as color grading, asset management, or automation. Open a plugin's detail page to read the description, check which apps and versions it supports, see screenshots, and scan user reviews. It's also a good place to note whether it's free or paid and whether it's a modern UXP plugin or an older extension that might require additional steps. When you found the one you want, select it and click Get. If it's a paid plugin, you may see purchase or trial options. Accept any permissions or license terms shown. The Creative Cloud app will handle the download and installation for you. Finally, click OK to confirm and complete the process. Watch for progress indicators. Some plugins install instantly while others may take a moment. If you're prompted to restart the host application, go ahead and do that so the plugin can load correctly. After installation, open your Adobe app and look under the Plugins or Window menu to find it. If you ever need to remove or update it, return to Creative Cloud and check the Installed or Managed section. And if installation fails, update Creative Cloud, verify you have admin rights on your device, and try again. That's it. Your plugin is ready to use. Now let's run through this workflow on your own projects.